Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for thrill.
So guys, it's our last full day and we are currently going to a tour of Tulum. The drive to Tulum is like a 1.5 hour drive. We're going to go to the Great Shitsa or whatever it's called, something like that. It's like the more popular tour, or the ruins, the Mayan ruins. And that one, like, it would have been like a 12 to 15 hour trip, because it's like 2.5 hours each way. So you would have been spending 5 hours on the road. And we were not trying to do that. So we were like, we'll go to Tulum and look at the ruins there, because they have some ruins over there. And then we're going to go to the cenote, which is like they're 15 feet deep into water. So that's what we're doing today. Mexico has been great. Oh, this is the Mayan calendar. So like, you know how we have horoscopes? So for us, we were born in August, we'd be pop. So we'd be this symbol right here. See, it's August 1st to 30th, and that will be our symbol. It's pretty dope. Too bad we don't follow the Mayan calendar. I wanted to get a shirt for some. You got Mexican candy. Where'd you go, mister?
Me?
Yeah.
Right next to you. Right behind you. Tulum souvenirs. Wow.
See, these are 7. I wasn't gonna go get that one for 12.
What the
This is nice. We're currently in the marketplace in Tulum. We're supposed to be walking to the ruins area. This is the marketplace. This is pretty dope. Tickets. Hey, cool guy. He's hot and bothered, so he's not going to talk much today on the vlog. So you're going to be entertained by me. Hopefully I have enough energy for you. So yes, we are at Tulum. As you can see, we're at the ruins here, the Mayan ruins, and we're about to tour them. Like I said before, we were going to go to the Shitsa something, but we decided not to because it's way too far, and we're trying to like do more than just that today, because these excursions take up the entire day. So we decided to come here because it was closer, and it's just as nice, I heard. So we're about to get some dope pics for y'all.
Oh no.
Right. Oh gosh.
Not here, not here. I beg. No, she's not here.
Means no, stinky. Two, stinky. Luum, land or place. Two, luum, smelly or stinky place. That is the real translation from these two words. Even though every time you Google it, you will find it all the time. Tulum means wall. That is a big lie. Yes, Tulum, you know now the meaning. So amigos, Mayan, 1840, and I will show you how royalty member used to live. Look at the wall, 12 feet high on the higher level. See, 15 feet thick. Yes, and look at the axis, a small axis. Remember how short Mayans are? Yes, Mayans are 150, 160. Look, a small axis to control population. One by one is the only way in, and one by one is the only way out. Yes, right now let's make a line, amigos, and I will show you how royalty members used to live. Yes, ready? Yeah. Vámonos, this way.
Hold me. Don't follow me.
Oh, it's not even that. It's not that short. Ouch.
Peel it off. If you squeeze it a little bit to the side, yeah, peel it off. Excelente, like that. So now, amigos, you have the chocolate here, you have the cacao. Break it. And put it on the other hand and smell it. Oh my God, Dios mío. Yes. So now, what happens if you try it? It's not that sweet.
Yes,
This is bitter. This is chocolate, amigos. Look, Mayas, or what you know as chocolate, is a mixture for kids. It's candy for kids. A mixture of honey, sugar, cinnamon, and milk. Mayans didn't have any milk. Do you know that? See, so they only toast the seed, smash it, make the powder, mix it with hot water and honey. They sweet everything with honey here. See? So now look, you get, so archaeologists call the cenote house. And they have this amazing idea, sir. Look, they built a house on top of us. Yes, can you see that window? That window, it's telling you March 21st, September 20th, another optical illusion. Tomas, I don't see it.
It's the last time I'm ever. It's like 90 degrees right now.
So what?
My shirt is
Yes,
soaked.
I'm hot too, but I'm not crying.
Yeah, I am crying. Because I didn't sign up for this. But
You did.
as a
You
boyfriend,
paid your card.
boyfriend duty, I have to do this shit.
Smile! Like, we're taking a freaking picture. Can you smile? Turn this way so you can get the things in the back. There you go.
I'm on top of the world and I'm burning and I'm about to
Move
die.
that out of the way.
I'm freaking about to die. I just need to go back to my room.
Come on.
You had them? Worse. Damn.
Scared to live.
Right? That's why I got this. That's why I have this scarf on. Alright guys, so as you can see, I look burnt, like, I look so toasty.
You look great.
I look so toasty. Thank you. But we're about to go to the cenote, and they said we can't have on like any like products. We have to take a shower and stuff first, and we're gonna jump in. I got a lace front on, so I'm gonna take my wig off before we even jump in, just to save myself the embarrassment and loss of money spent on this wig. No, you can't spray that. So he's gonna have to spray anything on.
Oh.
That's only if you're not going in.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Because we have to take a shower before we go in, because they don't want to come in. That's what people get their water from, their water supply. So that's why he said I have to take a shower, like makeup. My makeup has to come on. Yeah. So yeah, we have our bathing suits on. We gotta go put away our personal belongings. We're about to go in the cenote. So I have to take, where? Oh. I have to take my wig off and we gotta take a shower. Look at it. She's been like, okay, so we have on our, well, I have on my life vest. I'm ready because listen, I'm scared. Mike is scared too. I know he's scared. People are really jumping into this.
I think I'm feeling jumping in.
You do, you. What are you saying?
You guys going to jump?
Yeah.
I ain't jumping nowhere.
Please.
Michael, what's going on? We're jumping
I can't
together.
come and kill myself.
We're jumping together.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so the wig is off, guys. I got the Nico
better
braids
keep me
in,
alive.
and we. He said he's trying to keep me alive. We're gonna jump.
Ready?
Okay, okay.
Swim, but
Oh, you want?
I like that.
You want me to jump from here or next?
Yeah, you can get it over there.
Okay, that's perfect. Excelente. Excelente. Perfecto.
Are you gonna jump? Why would it? Looks like.
Está muy fría. Yeah, say hi, say amigo.
I go anywhere, anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, oh, you fill my mind.
So we're done with the cenote. Wow, I didn't think I was gonna jump, but I jumped, guys. And my concealer is still intact, surprisingly. I'm like, yo. What? Yeah, I saw. My concealer is still intact. I jumped twice. Mike only jumped once because he wasn't lead. But it was really fun. It was a cool experience. And man, it all makes me want to learn how to swim because like it was people jumping with no life vest on. I was like, where they do that? Like, yeah, that'll be all for today. Mike, you want to close out the vlog?
I'm ready to go home. I'm tired of these damn bugs. This is my third sandwich.
Oh shoot, you took it out here one. Let me put it. What?
All in all, Mexico is good.
Alright guys, we'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Check it. We're not gonna have a vlog tomorrow. This is gonna be the last. Yeah, we'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye. I need to get my laptop. I have so much editing to do, but I'm happy that I was able to get this trip and vlog it the way I did because vlogging is not easy, especially when you want to relax and enjoy your trip. Vlogging could be a bitch. Hi, babe.
They got boo-boo.